In today's guide, I am going to show you exactly how to log out your Steam account from another device completely remotely. This is an essential security feature that every gamer should know how to use, especially in 2026 where account security is more important than ever. Perhaps you logged into your Steam account at a friend's house and forgot to sign out, or maybe you used a public computer at a library or an internet cafe. It is also possible that you suspect someone else might have access to your account and you want to ensure that every single session is terminated immediately to protect your library and your personal information. Whatever the reason may be, Steam provides a very straightforward way to deauthorize all other devices from your account settings without needing physical access to those machines. Before we dive into the step-by-step process, if you find this video helpful and want more quick tech tips to keep your gaming account secure, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Your support really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep making these guides for you, alright? Let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is open the Steam application on your primary computer. Once you have the Steam client open and you are logged in, look toward the very top right-hand corner of the window. You will see your account name or your profile persona name right next to your wallet balance. Click on your account name to open a small drop-down menu. From this menu, you want to navigate down and click on the option that says Account Details. This will take you to your main account management page within the Steam interface. On the Account Details page, you will see several categories on the left-hand sidebar or in the main view, such as Store and Purchase History, Contact Info, and Account Security. We need to focus on the section labeled Security and Devices. Go ahead and click on the link that says Manage Steam Guard or simply scroll down to find the Security Settings area. This section is where Steam handles all of your authentication and login security protocols. Once you are in the Security and Devices area, you need to scroll down further toward the bottom of the page. You are looking for a specific section that mentions deauthorizing other devices. You will eventually see a button or a clear text link that says Sign Out Everywhere. This is the master switch for your account sessions. This feature is incredibly powerful because it doesn't just log you out of one specific device. It terminates the active login session on every single computer, smartphone, tablet, or browser that is currently signed into your Steam account, except for the one you are using right now. This is perfect for ensuring total privacy and security. When you find the Sign Out Everywhere option, go ahead and click it. Steam might ask you for a confirmation or simply process the request immediately. Once you click it, the system sends a command to all logged-in instances of your account to expire those sessions. This means the next time someone tries to open Steam on those other devices, they will be met with a login screen and will be forced to enter the password and likely a Steam Guard code to get back in. This step effectively kicks everyone else off your account and gives you a fresh start. It is a good habit to do this every few months just to clean up old sessions from devices you no longer use. After you have clicked the button and confirmed the action, you can rest easy knowing that your account is now only active on your current machine. Remember, if you did this because you think your account was compromised, you should also take this opportunity to change your password and ensure your email is secure. And that is how you safely and quickly log out of your Steam account from another device remotely. If this tutorial helped you secure your account today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more 2026 easy guides and gaming tips. If you have any questions or ran into any issues, drop a comment below and I will do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.